morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today I had grand plans to do like a last days of summer and wrap up everything that was left on my bucket list. However, plans kind of fell through. My friend that I was supposed to do it with got sick, and we've had totally random thunderstorms all weekend, so it's not really been summer. So we're gonna switch gears. This video will go up a day late, unfortunately, but I think today we're gonna do like a getting ready for fall / organization video. So there's some projects I want to get done in the house that involve either organizing or a deeper clean, and I want to start getting the summer stuff taken down so I can decorate for fall here soon. I'm on my way to Food Lion. It's about 8 a.m. I want to go get a couple grocery items for this week before they get busy, and then I'm gonna come back and have a little slower morning, make some breakfast, watch church, then we'll kind of jump into some of the activities. So let's get to Food Lion.
We shake a little, sometimes we let it all out, or if we made a little, bet we would figure it out. Let a man ain't go, oh, mistouch turns cold, 'cause you got 20/20 and I don't see it straight. Pictures of white picket fences on a pearly lake. You know it's gonna be a while, so why you in a rush to try? As we got older, you left me on your bedroom floor. It got much colder since we found.
I got one apple just to have, and then some blueberries because I was craving them. Got some tomatoes for my BLTs and my burgers. I got a thing of macaroni salad to go with my burgers. I got some romaine hearts for the BLTs and the burgers. And the biggest thing I was on a hunt for was a 4-pack of buns for burgers because I only need 3 and I hate wasting it. Really simple breakfast, just a bagel, some of those turkey sausages. I'm gonna have some orange juice, watch some YouTube until church, and Riley's got his busy bone for Sunday. All right, one of my tasks is going to be to wash this and change out the straw. I try to do that every couple weeks, so let's get that done.
Events certain to happen in the future, times of war and great hardship.
Okay, sometimes I shake a little, sometimes it's all right.
Now that church is done, the first thing I want to tackle is, you guys may remember one of my goals for the year was to do a deep clean of a room each month, and cycle through that twice this year. Obviously, I was doing really good until I went home and then kind of fell off the bandwagon with that. So I did not keep up with it. And the only rooms that never really got touched was my bedroom and my master bath. So there's just a few tasks I want to do. I already went through and did my normal weekly clean in the bathrooms. So in my bathroom, the things that I want to tackle are going to be wiping all these shelves down and doing the full thing of the mirrors. I want to, I don't know if you can see it quite, but dust down this edge here and that, because yeah, toilet paper dust. And then I haven't done it, but I really want to try and clean this grout. I've been trying everything to get this black mold stuff out of there. Lately I've been doing a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water that I spray on it, and it has helped. It's cut down quite a bit, but I feel like it probably needs like a deeper clean, like after it's been sprayed. And I bought this fun little cleaning brush that's on an extender, has multiple brush heads, and one just so happens to be like pointed, so it should fit in the grout. So I want to try that. So I think what we're gonna do, I'm gonna grab paper towel, glass cleaner, to do the cupboard because in there those shelves are glass anyway. I'm gonna grab the spray that I'm gonna use in the tub and go ahead and get that sprayed so it can sit while I'm cleaning everything else, and then we'll use the new tool. So let me go grab what we need.
The devil visits, and me and Jesus fight over endless conversations. I never sleep on time. As we got older, you left me on your bedroom floor. It got much colder since we found out who we were. If you needed proof, you never choose to follow through. We were you. In the wrong direction. We're moving at the speed of light. In the wrong direction. And UFOs are taking flight. In the wrong direction. 'Cause you see me like an alien.
All right, this is the tool that I bought. I like that you can extend it. And it's got 3 speeds. We're gonna use this brush and work on grout first. And then I'll clean the rest. But let's get going and then I'll rinse it all off.
You never should have let me in. As we got older, you left me on your bedroom floor. It's been much colder since we found out.
All right, not crazy appetizing, keeping it simple with some mac and cheese and some popcorn and chicken for protein. I'm gonna go ahead and watch some YouTube. So I ate lunch. What I'm gonna do is kind of structure this, a couple tasks, take a break, because I'm still trying to relax and enjoy my weekend. But the next thing that I wanna do, this table runner needs to be washed before it's put away for summer, and I wanna wash the pillow covers. So I'm gonna get these off. Probably start a load of laundry with these in it, and then I'm going to pull out the fall pillows because I plan to do fall decorating tomorrow. So I just want to kind of prep up, and we're going to pick up the rest of the summer stuff in a little while. Oh, I did want to say, I know I'm wearing the same clothes as I did in my last vlog. I did not realize I did that. Obviously they have been washed, and this is the first time I'm wearing them this week.
Choose to follow through. You're what you do. You're what you do. You're what you. Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back.
So because they're in like a vacuum seal bag, I like to get them out like a day before so they can fluff up a little bit and not smell.
Back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of.
All the summer decor has been gathered around the house. I will change that blanket out tomorrow, and these pillows we swapped in when I bring out the fall ones. Obviously this will get jazzed up, but I'm glad that's all done. I think I'm gonna take another break, probably call my grandmother and check in on her. One of the last things I wanted to do in the kitchen, I want to rework the kitchen counters, like move stuff around. Because I'm starting to realize my placement of the air fryer, you know, it's a good spot for it next to the stove when I'm doing cooking. However, air fryers put out a lot of like heat, and up above it blows it up. And that cupboard above there has all my spices, and I'm getting really tired of having to like bang on my spices to break them up to use them. Or sometimes I'm just having to throw them out because they're rock hard. So I'm thinking it might be wise to try and rework the countertops a little bit and move that out of that spot. So I kind of want to like do a wipe down and maybe reorganize what's on the countertops and where they're at. All right, after much deliberation, I think I've decided I'm gonna move the air fryer over to that corner, put the pineapple cookie jars where that is. But that way all the pineapples are actually visible and the cookie jars would be usable. I think that would be a good way to do it. And then I think I'm gonna move the radio over here.
Is wrong, but if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up and I can feel it now. She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through, like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal, 'cause if there's no secret.
You tell me what you think. I don't know if it's too much white because there's no backsplash on the side. I'm okay with that. And then I'm undecided if I like the cutting board there. I mean, it is a decor piece, just to add some differences with the white, maybe. I just wasn't finding a layout I liked with it.
I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word.
Is that better? I don't know. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of the counters. That setup. Are we okay with that? I'm pretty sure I am. And this I feel like is better, but it's nice because up here all you got is dishes, so I don't have to worry about anything with the heat except maybe these, but I think those will be okay because they're not above it, it's beside it. Comment down below, let me know what you think, if there's something you would have done differently. I'm not really finding another way to do it, and yeah, I'm not sure. Just let me know. Give me some suggestions, please. I'm welcoming them. I think I'm gonna wrap this up though, because that's pretty much all I'm gonna do for organization and kind of fall prep for today. Hopefully you got some motivation. You enjoyed seeing how I'm prepping for fall and some of the new reorganization projects. As always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.
The clock's back, couple dials.